Hello everyone, here is a question based on Kohlraush law. For a salt XY which is a strong electrolyte, the plot of molar conductance versus square root of concentration has a slope of minus 90 Siemens centimeter square mole to the power minus 3 by 2 and liter to the power 1 by 2 at 298 K. At 0.01 molar concentration of XY, the value of molar conductance is 145 Siemens centimeter square per mole. In that case, what is the limiting molar conductivity of Y minus ion? Limiting molar conductivity of X plus ions are given. We know that limiting molar conductance, that is lambda m naught, is the basis for Kohlraush law. That we need to figure out first, because molar conductance is equal to lambda m naught minus k times square root of c. This is the Debye-Huckel-Onsager equation, which is in the form of y is equal to c plus mx. C is the y intercept. So, c is equal to lambda m naught and x is equal to square root of c. Y is equal to molar conductance and m is the slope. So, slope equal to m equal to minus k, which is equal to minus 90 in this case. So, therefore, the value of k is equal to 90. K is not minus 90, minus k is minus 90. So, therefore, we can cancel the minus sign on both sides. K is equal to 90. What this means is that if we are plotting molar conductance versus square root of concentration for a strong electrolyte, this is going to be a straight line with a slope equal to minus k. So, this is the y intercept, that is lambda m naught, which we need to figure out first. So, therefore, 145 is equal to lambda m naught minus 90 times square root of 0.01. 10 to the power minus 2 to the whole power 1 by 2 is equal to 10 to the power minus 1. So, that is 1 by 10, which means 145 plus 90 by 10 is equal to lambda m naught. Therefore, lambda m naught is equal to 154. And we know that at infinite dilution, the limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte is equal to the sum of the limiting molar conductivities of its constituent ions. That is lambda m naught of xy is equal to lambda m naught of x plus lambda m naught of y minus. That is, the molar conductivity is due to the independent migration of cation in one direction and anions in the opposite direction. Therefore, 154 is equal to 74 plus lambda m naught of y minus. Therefore, lambda m naught of y minus is equal to 154 minus 74, that is 80 Siemens centimeter square per mole, which means option 1 is correct.